Hey guys, Mike here, and I want to give a special shout out to LG. Let's jump right in. Alright, here we go. Now, this is the LG G4 Metallic Gray. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon Hexacore processor. Our wall adapter, awesome. Charging and sync cable. And 3000 milliamp LG lithium-ion battery. It's just awesome. So we have a removable battery. Let's see. This is a 5.5 inch IPS Quad HD quantum display. It's awesome. Look at that. It features a 8 megapixel selfie cam, a 16 megapixel laser cam f1.8 with color spectrum. It has a sort of a curved design. Its thickest point is about approximately 9.8 millimeters thick. It supports GSM, LTE. This version is unlocked. This is a Qualcomm Snapdragon Hexacore. We will walk around the phone and see. As you can see, there are no buttons on the left side. For a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and microphone, we have our micro USB charging and sync port. On the other side, we have nothing. At the top, we have another microphone and possibly an IR blaster. Okay, on the back, we have our LED flash, 16 megapixel camera with laser and color spectrum sensor. And this is our power button. This is also our up for volume, down for volume. We have a nice pattern, a metallic gray pattern on the back. My understanding is also a leather version that will be available. We have our speaker at the bottom. And there we go. We have our G4 branding. Looks really nice. Alright, let's pop it open. Alright, here we go. This supports NFC. There is a factory screen protector installed on the device as you see it. We're going to power it up. Here we go. First boot. Alright, here we go. We're going to tap it. And there we go. Start the phone. And there we go. So let's go through everything. We can adjust the brightness. So how about, well, like that. We have our rotation. We have all the bells and whistles that we normally would have. And there we go. Go to settings. And let's scroll. About phone. And we're going to see what we got. Software, here we go, Android 5.1 Lollipop. Here we go. We have our capacitive buttons on the bottom of the screen. Alright, so let's see what else we have here. Let's go back. Let's check storage. There we go. We have 21.95 gigs. So this is a 32 gigabyte. I have a 8 gig micro SD card installed. That is not included. Battery, we have 42%. And we have a battery saver, which is awesome. We have a smart cleaning to free up space with some apps and temporary files. Let's go back. Let's go back to settings, and we're going to check for our general. We're going to check our language support. Language. We have several fully supported language. This is awesome. Very nice IPS display. Nice viewing angle in any direction. Here we go. Alright, let's go back. We can use Google Voice. Awesome. I was able to get HSPA Plus with this device. Let's check our widgets. Standard awesome LG widgets. We also have an FM radio. Pretty awesome. Let's go check the apps out. We have our calculator. We have maps. We have the full. We even have our YouTube. LG Smart World. LG Backup. It's awesome.